after the belt's on. This can be, you can put the belt on without taking this off. But since we were changing everything anyway. Oh wait, Howie. We're shooting video. You want to jump in? Show him. That's our FedEx guy. He just lets himself in, takes care of business. He's a good guy.
Yes, I got this, guys. Hey, whatever that man tells you, listen to him because he knows his stuff.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Compressor Guru. Please hit like and subscribe and use the notify bell so you will know when the next new episode is released from The Compressor Guru. God bless you and have a great day.